Okay, let us recap. When you see this word called expand, can you all recall yesterday when I said expand? Actually, what's the meaning of expand? What bracket? No bracket. Very good, John. Thank you. So the idea of expand is to remove the bracket. Yesterday we did multiplication frame, which is the box method. But today I'm going to do the term by term expansion, otherwise known as the rainbow method for most of you. Okay, I'm going to make use of the term by term expansion, but it's very difficult, so I'm going to call it rainbow method in short. How does the rainbow method work? Okay, I'm going to take a look at part A first. Term by term, term by term. Then I'm going to write my answer now. Okay, the first arrow that I draw, x multiplied by 4x. What would I get? What are the two numbers? X and 4x. Oh, very fast. Alright, thanks William. 1 times 4 is 4. X times x will give us x squared. That's the first arrow. Am I right? Okay, now take a look at the second arrow. X multiplied by negative 1. Oh, yes. X multiplied by negative 1. What will we get? Negative 1x. Thank you, John. But do we need to write the 1? It can be invisible. Am I right? So, even if you write the 1, you are not wrong. But it's better to just write negative 4x squared minus x. And this will be the final answer. Do you see any bracket? No. Alright? Okay, for B, my job is to expand. Same thing, I need to get rid of the bracket. So I need to draw the arrow. I'm going to say this again. Take a look. 3x must multiply by what first? Danny? Okay, so 3x multiplied by 2x. What else must 3x multiply by? Positive 2. So let me do this 2 arrow first. So Danny, 3x multiplied by 2x will give us number times number. Thank you. Number times number, 3 times 2 is 6. X times x, letter times letter, x squared. Danny, how about the second arrow? 3x multiplied by 2. 3x multiplied by 2. Okay, just 6x. There's only one single x. So, Lihin, are we done? What else do we need to multiply? The first term is done already. There's still one number I never touched. Which number? Negative 1 must multiply by what? Okay, very good. I draw the arrow. What else? And 2. Very good. Okay, so Lihin, help me. Negative 1 multiplied by 2x. What do you get? Negative 1 multiplied by 2x. Number times number first. Number times number. Negative 2. So I write down negative 2. Is there an x there? Okay, then write down x. Only one single x. Am I right? Okay, now Solihin, negative 1 multiplied by positive 2. The second arrow. Negative 1 multiplied by positive 2. Negative 2. Class, the expansion is correct. But there is something that, yes, thank you, John. There are like terms. Yesterday, I introduced like terms. What's the meaning of like terms? They have the same letter. Correct? Which are the like terms here? Iskandar, you remember? You were the one. Which are the like terms here? Can you tell me? X. So there is 6x. There's negative 2x. Please add them together using calculator. 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So basically, those without like terms, I just write out first. Those with like terms, you need to press the calculator. 6 minus 2, I'll get a positive 4x. And this is the final answer. Okay, for part D, when there is a bracket square, like what I gave the hint to you all yesterday, please remember, this can be written as a minus 1 multiplied by a minus 1. Same concept as a square is the same as a times a. Alright? And in expansion, our job, what must we do with the bracket? What must you do to the bracket? Remove. How do you remove? Two methods. Box method or rainbow method. I'm going to show the rainbow method again. So let me draw the rainbow. A times A. What is A times A? A times A will give us A square. After that, you see, multiply to the second one. What is A times negative 1? Negative? Don't write negative A1. Negative 1A. The number must come before the letter. Okay, I'm done for the first one. That's why I go to the bottom. Negative 1 times A. What do we get again? Negative 1A. It's the same. The number must come before the letter. Last arrow. What is negative 1 times negative 1? Press your calculator. Positive 1. Okay. Guys, take a look. Any like terms? Which one? A. There? Like what William said just now. There's a high chance the like terms are in the middle. Not all, but many times. The like terms are underlined. I need to evaluate the like terms. Negative 1 minus 1. What will we get? Negative 1 minus 1. Press calculator, not 0. Negative 1 minus 1, not positive 2. Negative 2. Is this the final answer? That's for the like term. What must I do to the 2? I must still write a square plus 1. So this will be your final answer.